Brother Scan and Cut is really good because it lets you cut out stamped images. I've got these 3 images, the leaf, the butterfly and on the flowers. I've just stamped them, so as you can see they're stamped. Hot off the press. Once you've stamped the image, putting it onto the mat's really easy. You put it onto the mat wherever you like. Because the image is scanned, the machine will pick it up no matter where you place it. So what you do is you put it down and then you just rub it flat like that. The mat's tacky, the mat has a tap, so you don't need to have anything else to hold it in place. Job is of course to check that your blade's correct. Now I know that this card cuts with a blade of 4.5, so I've set my blade length to 4.5, and as you can see the blade's really easy to put in and out. You just press it in, push the lever down. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed it in. I slip it in there nice and easily. I find it best to place my fingers on the centre and then press the feed button, and as you can see it loads nice and easily. Now, because we want to scan, we press the option that says scan. So we go into here, we're doing a direct cut, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so press start stop. As you can see it's going in and it's scanning. It makes a noise like our regular everyday scanner. Okay, it takes just a second to recognise the image. Okay, so now as you can see we have on the screen really nice outlines. That shows what the Click and Cut wants to actually cut. So we click on OK, and there we go, we see the nice outline. Sometimes the mat has bits of things on it, and the scanner will actually pick those up and want to cut them out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to reduce the area that we tell it to cut from to this area. So as you can see, we do this quite easily by moving this, and now we just have this area being recognised to cut, so all the dots and things aren't cut. Now when I cut out, I like there to be just a little margin around the outside, so I click on this. And this lets me set the distance. I'm going to set it to 1 millimetre, which is that. So that's my outline distance, is 1 millimetre. Now I click OK. I click OK. It's processing. It's now asking me, do I want to draw the outlines, which I certainly could, but I don't in this case want to, or do I want to cut them? So I'm going to click on Cut, and it's processing again. Now I press the Start Stop button, and she goes to work. Right, so now we just pull the mat out, and as you can see, the image comes off really easily, comes out as easy as pie, and we have a beautifully cut out stamped image.